New Year! This time of year is all about good wishes, but did you know that many of these good wishes are edible? Here are 8 lucky New Year foods in the Chinese tradition and why they're lucky. Now, where to start? Number 1, long life noodles. Wish everyone and yourself a long life by eating very long noodles without cutting them. Slurping is allowed. Your longevity is at stake. Number 2, dumplings. You never need an excuse to eat dumplings, but now you have a reason to eat more. These are ingots. They used to be a form of currency in China and they were made of gold and silver. And dumplings look like them. The idea is the more you eat, the more money you'll have. Number 3, spring rolls. If you didn't get rich from all those dumplings before, that's okay. Have some spring rolls, which represent solid gold bars. Wow, 14 carats. Number 4, a whole fish. Having the head and the tail of the fish symbolizes a good beginning and a good ending for the coming year. Also, the word fish in Chinese sounds like the word for surplus. Number 5, festive fruits. See how bright and round these oranges are? Just like a big lump of gold, which is why they're a symbol of wealth. And the word orange in Chinese sounds like the word for success. Number 6, year cake. This is niangao, a sweet and sticky cake made of glutinous rice flour. Niangao means year cake, but it also sounds exactly the same as niangao, which is the word year followed by the word tall. So may each new year be taller for you. May you reach new heights, a promotion, a raise. Number 7, sweet rice dumplings. New Year is all about family reunions. For dessert, we eat tangyuan and we say tuan tuan yuan yuan. Tuan yuan means reunion and yuan means round. So the aim is to have the whole family around the table together, and the rice ball is round like the table. It's pun for the whole family. Where's my family?
Hello, darkness.
Number 8, the togetherness box. This is a 全盒. It's a collection of snacks, mostly sweets, for visitors, or for me. Mostly for me. These are melon seeds, or guazi. It sounds a lot like the saying 年生贵子, which means to give birth to sons. What about daughters? I'm a daughter. Mom, what about daughters? These are lotus seeds, or lianzi. Again, it sounds like that whole give birth to sons thing. Or daughters. These are lotus roots. They're called lian'ou, which sounds like the word for abundance. Of course, there are many ways to celebrate the new year with food. Conversation for another time, perhaps.
Jack and King's, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.